Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss about the assignment key for the topic from gathering food to growing food, and we have the subtopic the earliest people. Yes, for many years ago the life has been completely survived with the early men. Now we have the assignment keys, assignment questions where we are going to discuss the answers here. Coming to the first question children, why were there no poor people among the early men? Yes, what is the answer? The only answer here is about as they don't have any type of the discriminations like rich and poor. Why? Because they are not at all concerned for money. So that is the first reason. So here there were no poor people because their food was shared among them. They show some equality. They are sharing some food among themselves equally. They had no assets, fixed or variable, except their tools. The only thing they are common is about their tools. But remaining each and everything is completely shared among themselves. And there is no discrimination or no variation has been shown by the early men. Clear children? We are moving to the second question. Coming to the second question. If there was no stove and grinding stone, how would it affect our food? Yes, it's an important question. Early men are supposed to cook their food. In the beginning, they are supposed to eat about the raw food. What is the meaning of raw food here? After hunting the animals, before frying or before boiling the food, they are supposed to eat it directly, where we call it as raw food. Later on, some changes have been taken where they are going to fry. They are going to fry the food and then they are going to eat. Just imagine children, is it possible to eat the food nowadays without any type of the ingredients? So it is not possible, but the early people are supposed to eat it directly. So the question is about, if there is no stove on the grinding stone, is it possible to cook the food? No. At present it is not at all possible. Why? Because earlier, few years back, we people are supposed to cook the food by using about the, instead of stove, the wood particles, wooden blocks. By burning about the wooden blocks, we people are supposed to cook the food. But as the technology has been changed, the generation has been changed completely. Nowadays, we are using about the stove. So, if there is no stove, it will be late and difficult to cook the food. Yes, is that possible to cook all the things or all the food materials what we need at a time? No, it is not possible when there is no stove. And the next one is about firewood will not be sufficient for present population. As I said, present population we are not able to go through and we don't have any type of the lots of patience for waiting about the food. And firewood is not at all suitable to at present generation. Clear children? And if there is no grinding stone, some kinds of food items like idli, dosha, vada, these are all not possible to grind. So they need about the grinding stones. So completely, if we compare to before 20 to 25 years back and at present, a lot of changes has been taken where it is not possible to cook the food if there is no stove and the grinding stone. Clear children? We are moving to the third question. Why couldn't the early people store food for a long time? Yes, it's the question for you also children. For example, mother is going to cook about the food. For example, if we take an aloo curry, aloo fry, where the fry has been done in the morning. But if we people are going to store in a particular place, again we can eat it after some time. Yeah, we are using about the refrigerators, fridge. But in those days, the early people doesn't have any type of the provisions like fridge or refrigerator. What happens if they are going to store the food? It is going to be decomposed. The food is going to be decomposed. They are not going to cook rice or dal or curry like us. Directly they are going to hunting the animals and then they are going to eat about either in a raw manner or in a fry manner. So if they are going to store food, what happens? The animal or the body of the animal or the bones or the flesh is completely decomposed and it causes some health issues. So the earliest people did not possess heavy things like jars, tins as they had. Now we are going to place the pickle in a jar, sugar in a box. So they don't have any type of the provisions like a jar or the tins. That is the reason they are not going to store the food. Clear, children? I hope you enjoyed the session. Have a nice day. Thank you.